200 grams thinly sliced lamb strips, roasted cumin powder, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, pepper powder, origano. Let's add everything to the lamb. Then some soy sauce, olive oil. After that, we're gonna mix it well. Then we're gonna let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Some celery, broccoli, sliced onion, garlic, deseeded red chili, salt, brown sugar, roasted cumin powder, and chives. Here we're using chicken broth, some cornstarch, tow sauce, like general tow sauce. It's Chinese. Make sure mix it well now. You can see guys, the wok is very hot. You can see the color, it's almost red. On this stage we want to add marinated lamb. We're gonna cook it for 3-4 minutes and then get back to the same plates. In the same wok we're going to add olive oil, then garlic. Let it saute for 20 seconds. Then going to add dry chili. After 30 seconds we're gonna add onions. Then we're gonna add celery. After that, mix it well, bring it well. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna add all the dry spices except the cumin powder. After a minute, we're going to add celery, then broccoli. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Then we're going to add soy sauce and then general tow sauce. Make sure mix it well now. After a minute again, we're going to add roasted lamb strips into the pan. Mix it all together. Then we're going to add some cilantro and some parsley leaves, and of course the leftover roasted cumin powder. To mix it well and turn off the heat. It's ready for serve guys. Please subscribe and press the bell icon please.